to the reception, you want to make sure that your makeup lasts as long as your day goes, right? So with that, we're going to be talking about extra long wearing makeup on our Try Me segment. So Sel, it's a fully packed wedding episode again. From head to foot. This is actually again dedicated to Celine, who actually just got engaged recently. So this is part of her preparation process.
And you know, Isa, after this whole episode, I'm gonna be ready na. Ready na ako.
Diba? Ayan. Anyway, in the meantime, ready na rin tayo makipagchikahan. Kasi wala na chika, dito lang po sa Chika! Showcasing all of this and more with her eco-friendly couture. So we're going to be mixing fashion with the environment on the spot with Michelle Lim. To our country. And more importantly, dinadala niya po ito outside of the country. So yung mga Americans, Europeans, and other neighboring Asians, of course, get to know all about the Philippines. They get to know all about our culture and our materials, diba? So that's very nice. So Michelle, more power to you, and I wish you all the luck. And talagang very, the country is very proud of people like you who are very creative, and of course, making sure that people outside of our country get to know us. And mga kashika, don't naman go away dahil marami pa po tayong pag-uusapan. We have a lot more fashion and beauty tips coming up when we get back. So don't go away. Our wedding episode, I hope it's really still a turn. Today in Try Me mga kashika, we have a lot of new things to talk about, especially in the world of cosmetics. So of course, of Temptu Pro, which is a brand of airbrush makeup, and of course, I'm talking about Miss Kay Rodriguez. Good morning, Kay.
Good morning.
Thank you for joining us here in our show.
My pleasure.
All right, so I am very curious kasi we were talking about this earlier, diba? Before the camera went rolling, and we were saying, parang high definition makeup to.
Yes.
It sounds so high-tech. Ano ba to? Pakikwento naman.
Ang airbrush makeup kasi is now the new trend in applying the makeup. We use a compressor like this one, plus an air gun to put the makeup on their face.
Like, not everybody can do this obviously kasi iniisip ko, hindi naman ako marunong gumamit ng gun na yan tsaka yung compressor. So, it really has to be an expert to do this on you, no?
You can appreciate the benefits once na na-apply na siya, especially for TV, cameras, and even online albums.
I see. And Kay, syempre, yung mga, like ako mahilig talaga ako sa makeup, and I have
Airbrush foundation to be used sa airbrush gun.
Anong difference niya?
Ang difference niya, it is silicone-based. And then, yung formulation niya is specially designed for the gun. So, once na na-spray na siya all over the face, makikita mo na very natural yung finish niya. It's almost next to skin.
I see.
So, you will not also see any demarcation line. You won't see any
parang yung
brush
wrinkles
lines.
or okay.
And ang benefit ng airbrush makeup, it will cover all the fine lines, minimizes the wrinkles, and even yung mga skin discoloration, hyperpigmentation, and even acne. In fact, ngayon, widely used na siya ng mga brides because even mga skin condition like acne, because it is really designed to cover even birthmarks and tattoo.
So in other words, it's a very flawless
Very
finish.
flawless and very youthful finish.
Alright. How difficult is it to do this?
Well, it takes
And
practice.
foundation lang ba ang nagagawa ng...
Actually, pati yung
ng
prepping of the skin, like moisturizing, naka-airbrush din siya. And then, depending on the skin condition, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng concealer to cover it up or to correct the skin color. And then, you use the foundation. Yung ginagamit natin for the airbrush, after using the foundation, pati yung cheek colors and even eyes and even the eyebrows and lipstick can be used.
Even with an airbrush?
Yes, with an airbrush. Ang airbrush kasi is very flexible. So, pwede siya na full coverage, pwede naman minimum coverage, depending on your goal, kung ano yung gusto mong look.
I see.
For example, sa pictorial, syempre sa magazine, mas high yung makeup dyan, so you can adjust.
All right. So of course you said brides, and of course you were saying ads. What about movies? Kasi you know, when the movies, ang daming lights niyan, di ba? So, when of course taping for movies that you know, pag nag-shooting yung mga actors and actresses, talagang it's hours and hours on end. Is this something that's also
It's best for high definition TV because
HDTV.
HDTV and for movies kasi namamagnify yung pores natin dyan.
That's true.
So yeah, nakukover siya lahat. Kaya this is widely used in Hollywood.
Exactly. I was gonna say, actually, I've been reading about this in magazines, yung mga actors in Hollywood, you know, the A-list celebrities na medyo natatakot sila sa HD generation because
Yes,
syempre
yes.
ngayon nakikita na lahat ng mga flaws, diba? So of course now you're saying with HD makeup or well, high definition makeup or airbrush makeup, these flaws are minimized,
Yes.
right?
It covers and it gives you a perfect finish, especially for your red carpet moment.
Okay, oh goodness, nakaka-excite naman to. Sana meron akong airbrush makeup artist every day para I can be flawless all day, diba?
You can
For
come in my
hours.
studio.
Sounds good. All right. Okay, so well, I guess the best thing to do now is really just to check out the, you know, the demo because to see is to believe. So I'm gonna ask the cameraman to focus on your face because this is her before shot. And of course now Miss K is going to transform her pretty face. I see palettes for foundation.
Yes.
And I see mga pinker shades, which is more the mga blush.
Blushes, yes. We also have the powder and a concealer wheel to cover all skin imperfections before we put the foundation. And then we also have here the
That's the compressor.
This is the compressor and this is the air gun.
Alright, so ito yung air gun, right?
Right.
And this is where you put the foundation, dyan ba?
Yes, but before we put the foundation, we need to put moisturizer first.
Of course. Syempre, before you put makeup, it's
Yes.
very important to moisturize. So, well, what are we waiting for? Let's see this magic, diba? So, let's start. So, you turned on the compressor. So, ito na po yung yung moisturizer.
Moisturizer.
So, how do you feel, Brittany? It feels good. Alright, okay. Oh, the perfect. Alright, so of course she did the whole moisturizer thing and now we're gonna do foundation. So, paano ba dina-determine ang shade ni Brittany? You know, how many different shades of foundation do you have?
1 to 12.
1 to 12. So you just have to mix and you mix the colors.
But I tried first on the jawline. So if it disappears on her jawline, ang list niya, napapansyon mo yung lumalabas na makeup.
So hindi naman siya parang kumakalat.
Hindi.
So very directed yung aim ng gun.
Yes. Okay, here. Okay, so meron na siya mga parang veins.
Yeah, so yun yung mga medyo tinatago natin.
So,
That's right, yung mga
that's
spider veins, right? Actually, a lot of fair-skinned women.
and even for highlighting.
I see. So, but for now, you're doing a complete base. So this is just one shade.
I went there for a month of schooling.
1 whole month
One
in
whole
Hollywood.
month.
Wow, that must have been very exciting for you.
I also did the film and TV special effects, so even prosthetics. This can also be used for special effects.
So you mean to tell me the airbrush will also be down to her neck and shoulders?
Kasi especially for brides, di ba mga naka-tube sila? So
Yeah.
dapat hindi, iba yung color ng face sa katawan. Parang natutol na ganyan. That's true. A little color sa cheeks niya.
This is the blush already.
Blush.
I'm looking at what you poured in, no? Para siyang pearlescent.
Yes. Yes, some distance.
What does it feel like, Brittany?
Feel like airbrushing to my face.
Like parang like a mist?
Yeah.
So masarap. Baka makatulog ka.
Being a late player in the makeup industry, I thought of I thought of looking for avenues na pwedeng maging advantage for me. So, knowing na ang airbrush ngayon is the trend, and syempre mas high-tech siya, plus with the presence of high-definition TV, so I decided sabi ko mag-train ako ng airbrush makeup. I'm still making this method, so mas diversified. Of course, I still do yung mga conventional type, depending on the client. Yes. So if you notice here, meron na siyang contour, natural
Yes.
contour.
I see.
So yung round face niya, medyo
Nagka-bones na. Alright, yung nagkaroon ng high cheekbones. Very nice. Alright. Okay, so is this finished na already? Demo is now finished, and as you can see, Miss Brittany has now a flawless complexion. Actually, flawless naman siya talaga. Medyo nai-insecure na ako sa iyong kagandahan. Alright, so Miss Kay, baka you'd like to invite naman our mga kashikas out there to please, come visit you.
sa ating mga kashika, 4647 or 932-3199. Thank you so much.
Alright, so Miss Kay, maraming salamat po sa inyo. And Brittany, thank you also. And of course, mga kashika, you heard it from the woman herself. Like she said, this is perfect talaga for mga actors, actresses, and of course, talagang the brides-to-be. So if you want... Doing just love today with you and your married
Exactly. Actually, I'm clutching onto my skirt. Not in case it flattens again.
But okay, while you're clutching onto that, we're going to say goodbye to our wonderful, wonderful guests again. Thank you very much. First and foremost, Paolo Villarreal for Paolo's Boot Camp for making sure that we're all fit. Doc MJ for making for my wedding. Exactly. So you're pretty much good with your checkbook.
Exactly.
But you can bet that maybe sometime June, you just might do a little more. Is that right? To help you out.
All right.
Because our wedding gifts are always so much fun. Exactly.
I know, and I'm sure a lot of brides out there watching right now, they're loving it, right?
Exactly. But wait, again, our personal sponsors naman. Thank you to Madon for our clothes. Thank you to Benefit Style Salon. They have branches in Eastwood City and another one in Timog-Ap, Quezon City. And last but not least, the Zen Institute Medical Spa by Doc MJ Valdecañas, found at the Fort at the Podium in Scout Radios, Quezon City.
And of course, I also want to say thank you, Josie Goff Madon for my clothes, Jude Hippolito and Rose Velasco for my hair, Makeup Forever for my makeup, and Doc MJ Valdecañas also. Zen Institute, maraming salamat po.
So with that, kita-kita tayo bukas, 8 o'clock in the morning, only here at NBN4 for your daily dose of chikahan. I am Isa Leton.
And I'm Celine
Do
Gabriel.
yours, very good moment.
I
And
know,
this has
okay.
been Chika